Hey, hello, this is Ken with Fabric Spray Dye. We're going to paint this very comfortable chair today. I can't wait. Before I can paint it, I have to address these wood issues here. The wood's been exposed, it's no longer sealed. We're going to want to match the color of the stain. I have that. And then once we do that, we're going to seal the wood with polyurethane so that the fabric spray dye doesn't penetrate the wood. All right, here we are. We're going to address the wood. I'm just going to use steel wool to scratch it up a little bit because you don't want it to be all rough. You just want the polyurethane to adhere to it. And now we let this dry, and we're going to get to the point where we're going to actually seal the wood with polyurethane. Here we are. Prep is important with any project. We got these pleats up in here. We don't want to soak the project, but we want to get it in there. So I got two tools to do that. I'm going to try and bolt them. We got a little cheap paintbrush, and we got a piece of cloth, little rag. So I'm going to take the cushion off because we're going to be painting this part without that. And here we go. All right, we're going to be doing the bottom part of the cushion now, and a lot of these things have a piping around the edge there. From previous experience, I've noticed that when you spray it on, you have a dead spot, and then it's kind of irritating when you have to go back. So hitting that from both angles is important. All right, here we are. This is one coat. It's looking pretty good. Usually we do two coats, but honestly, less is more. So I'm just going to do some touch-ups on some areas that I feel are light, and then we'll see. In like 2 or 3 days, we'll see what it looks like then. This has little metal nubs. I'm just wiping the paint off of them. All right, it's been like an hour now, and I can't wait. So I'm going to take the tape off so we get to see how awesome this looks. Project's done. Another success with Simply Spray Fabric Spray Dye.